They came for the package, and we ended up getting a special delivery from Karma. These real doorbell clips show what happens when greed meets instant justice. Today, you'll see Karma deliver faster than Amazon Prime. That was so satisfying. Maybe a little more oomph in the boom next time.
Yeah, I thought it was.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's all good. I be doing it all the time.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry.
Did you?
Yeah, thank you.
You can tell when it's a person's first time going through some shit like this. That wasn't his first time.
Yonkers Police Department, dispatcher 19.
I just saw somebody on my Ring camera steal 2 packages.
Headquarters to 201. Caller is not home but saw this on the Ring camera. He took a box and a parcel. Camouflage jacket, white hoodie, gray sweatpants, black backpack.
Excuse me. Hi. Stop right there. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Coming down. 203 foot pursuit. 203 is a foot pursuit.
Running back towards St. John's.
St. John's Church.
203, 10.
Homeowners should wise up and take advantage of the Amazon lockers. If using UPS, you can arrange pickup at a UPS store. Don't know if FedEx has that option? The leftists will say it's your fault. You're the one who tempted him by putting that package in front of him. It's great to see people getting their just desserts, but I was hoping for a little more bang for the buck. Well, it's a good thing he held that package to the side so he didn't trip over that invisible wire. Stormed off like it was an extra large double quarter pounder with 20 nuggets meal.
That's why you fat. Look at you, greedy. No, you can have it. You can have it. You got it, brother. You thought it was some snacks in there? Look at you. You can go ahead and take it. It's a big box for a big back. Come on and get it. I know you need it.
I think I was confused, bro.
Oh, I think you hungry. And people act abnormal when they hungry. You've seen a Snickers commercial. Come on and get you his little box. Don't try to run either. I don't want you to have an asthma attack on my porch. Get the box. I know times is hard.
I don't live too far. And
Oh, I know you ain't walking far. I know you ain't walking far. You ain't got to tell me.
Based on the Porch pirate videos I've seen, those usually run away at the first sign of human presence, and this guy just stood there just to get fat-shamed? The fact that guy has enough strength to lift another person in a box plus the package.
Oh, yo, I just didn't want nobody to take it, bro.
What you got in there?
Nothing, man.
What you got in that
Yo,
bag?
this is my stuff.
I don't give a
you can have everything, bro. Yo, I'm not, I live right there, bro.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees
Yo,
right now.
I live on the
Get
corner.
on your knees.
Yo, I live on the corner.
I don't
bro.
give a Get on your knees.
I am.
The way this clown was taking his time trying to put the package in his bag. Like, seriously? You're stealing from someone yet acting like you're shopping at a store. People these days are ridiculous. This is the funniest thing I've seen today. She looks like this is her first rodeo. He's having a hard job, as you can see. Stop bullying him.
You okay?
Oh my god, did you put a bomb in there?
Maybe.
Did you put a bomb in there?
Well, I had to do what I had to do. You keep stealing my packages.
You were gonna kill me over me stealing one of your packages.
You're willing to kill me over a package? Seems like you're willing to die over my package.
I didn't anticipate you dying.
You're insane, dude. You're fucking insane.
I'm insane. Isn't it crazy that you roll up on random people's porches and steal their packages?
You had 2 mechanical pencils last time I stole from you, and you were gonna kill me over something as small as that?
Correction, good sir. I don't have my 2 mechanical pencils because you stole them. Serves you right.
You're fucking crazy, dude. You're fucking crazy. I'm calling the cops.
He's calling the cops. Can't wait to hear that recording.
Yeah, they drive.
So they stole a package and did a hit and run and damaged their car. I gotta know what's in the package.
And the law's on the way. Fuck shit on myself. Dirty ass nigga. I wasn't trying to steal it. Bitch, what you call it? Nigga? Yeah, they on the way. I'm from next door. I'm from next door. I wasn't trying to steal no package, bro. God damn. What you call it then? What was in that bitch? Cell phone? Nah, bitch ass nigga, booby trap, nigga. Ex-military, nigga. Marine Corps, nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Sit your bitch ass down, wait for the law, nigga. You should've killed your motherfucker. Nah, my bad. I'm gonna bring that package back. Nah, fuck all that, nigga. Law's on their way.
Prosecutors refuse to prosecute criminals, then maybe the neighborhood should track this guy down and give him some basic street justice. Imagine breaking your leg for some Kleenex, a box of Spencels, and a DVD of Rat Race starring Mr. Bean. She sticks the leg into the air to look at it, and her foot is jutting off at a 40-degree angle. Dude comes back for the packages, hoping one of them is a first aid kit.